Every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, myself, Michael Babcock, and Marty Sobo go live in ACB Community to answer your technology questions. How do you join in? Couple of ways. Use Alexa, your computer, or the new ACB Link app to listen to ACB Media 5. You can also join in Clubhouse, or visit acb.community to learn how to join us live in Zoom. Every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Pacific Time. We'll see you there with your tech questions. This is the Shell Phone Show, showing you how to do something on the BlindShell Classic 2. Thanks to Club Unmute, unmute.show. Welcome to another Shell Phone Show, and today I'm going to show you how to delete all of your notifications at once. I had a customer call me the other day and said, I had 240 some odd notifications, and how do I delete them at once? Yeah, I can totally feel the frustration. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the top left button, the button above OK. It feels like a little dot.
3 new notifications, 12:09 p.m.
As you can tell, this woke the phone up. We'll press that button again.
3 new notifications, 1 of 6.
And because it said 1 of 6, this tells us that we are now in the info menu where we can press OK on the notifications option, which is the 3 new notifications, 1 of 6.
2 applications have been updated. September 12, 2024, 7:04 a.m. 1 of 4.
So there's been 2 applications that have been updated, and it said 1 of 4, even though there was only 3 notifications, because the 4th option is
delete all. 4 of 4.
I got here by pressing the up button, and when we press the OK button, there will be no confirmation. It'll simply delete all notifications.
No item. No notifications. 1 of 6.
Now, you heard it say no notifications, 1 of 6. That tells us that all the notifications are gone, and if we'd like to go back to the main screen, press and hold the slanted line or the back button.
12:10 p.m.
And now you're back at the main screen with no notifications on your BlindShell Classic 2. Thanks for listening to today's Shell Phone Show. We hope you'll catch us back next time to learn something about the BlindShell Classic 2. Did you know you can get more helpful content like this? Visit unmute.show for podcast contents and to learn about Club Unmute. Thanks to Andre Louis and his shorts collection for the music used in this content.